Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the shape, change the color, select the erase color, remove the color, get the shape. Then select the text edit, select another shape, select the size, change the color, another shape, change the color. Then select another shape, remove the background, select the erase color, change the color of shape, select the text edit, select another shape, copy the shape, then select another shape, duplicate the shape, change the background color, adjust the color of shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.